Okay, today all of you here we are going to discuss about the centroid. So what is centroid? आप सबको पता होगा centroid is nothing but the middle point of a lamina, or we can say the plane figure. Okay, so what is centroid? Here you can see the definition. Okay, so centroid is the point at which the total area of a plane figure is assumed to be concentrated. तो क्या होता है, ये जो सेंट्रोइड है एक पॉइंट है जो कि इसका जो होल एरिया है, वो एरिया एक प्लेन फिगर का विल बी एज्यूम्ड टू बी कंसेंट्रेटेड मीन्स द होल एरिया ऑफ द प्लेन फिगर विल बी कंसेंट्रेटेड इन ए सिंगल पॉइंट. सपोज दिस इज ए प्लेन फिगर. ओके, सो यहाँ पर वो कहता है कि ये जो हमारा सेंट्रोइड इसी फिगर पे कहाँ पे आएगा, ये जो फिगर पे डिफरेंट एरिया से, यहाँ पर एरिया A1 है, यहाँ पर एरिया A2 है, यहाँ पर एरिया A3 है, एरिया A4 लेंगे, A5 लेंगे, तो यहाँ पर डिफरेंट एरिया से. ओके, तो ये बोल रहा है डिफरेंट एरिया और द होल एरिया ऑफ द प्लेन फिगर will be concentrated in a single point. That means this is the single point where the area A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and other area will concentrated in a single point. Okay, so that single point will be concentrated, and this single point is known as A. Okay, that means we can say A1 plus A2 plus A3 dot 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 is equal to A. That is what? That is the whole area of a plane figure or lamina will be concentrated in a single point. So that single point is known as what? The centroid. Okay, so it is denoted as G. The centroid point is denoted as G. Okay, you can write also C, no problem. Okay, so this point, the whole area, you can remember it. Okay, you should remember it. The whole area of a plane lamina will be concentrated in a single point. That means this point is known as the centroid point, where the all areas are concentrated in a single point. Okay, तो क्या होता है, it is applicable to plane figures having area. जिसका एरिया होगा वो यहाँ पे जो सेंट्रोइड है, सेंट्रोइड यहाँ पे एप्लीकेशन हो सकता है. और वी कैन नॉट टेक द वॉल्यूम. ओके, हियर वी आर नॉट कंसिडरिंग द वॉल्यूम यहाँ पे कंसिडर नहीं होगा. प्लेन लैमिना मीन्स व्हाट? प्लेन फिगर्स मीन्स द एरिया इज देयर बट देयर इज नो वॉल्यूम. ओके, so you should remember the centroid is applicable only for the 2D picture, or we can say the two-dimensional pictures, or we can say the figures. Here we are considering the area. Okay, you should remember this. Here we are considering the area, not the volume. Okay, so यहाँ पे volume हमारा consider नहीं होता है. So what are the plane laminas or plane figures are there? Rectangle is there, square is there, circle is there, semicircle, triangles, etc. We can say these are the plane figures. Okay, so here the axis like that, we know this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. Suppose this is the plane figure. Okay, so different areas like A1, A2, A3, A4 are acting in the figure, and we will be take here centroid means the middle point as the centroid. Okay, so what is the distance between, or we can say what is the centroid about the x-axis and about the y-axis. That means in this point you will be draw a perpendicular line, and also you should draw a perpendicular line. Okay, so from the centroid point you should draw a perpendicular line towards x-axis, and you should draw a perpendicular line towards y-axis. Then this distance from you should name it O to centroid up to G. Okay, so this distance you should take the x bar, and this point to this point you should take the distance y bar. That means the centroid about the x axis is what, x bar, and the centroid about the y axis is the y bar. That is all about the centroid. Hope you understand. Thank you to all of you.